This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 2.5-liter inline 5-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, a built-in iPod integration cable, commercial-free satellite radio, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a pass-through rear seat, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.